The dash is pretty much done. All I gotta do is just put the front cover, the speaker on that side, and that should be it. Now it's time to do the shifter and the edgeback. So you got the edgeback connected right there. If you want to install it this way, it's gonna be pretty hard. Just it helps if you put the car neutral. Something you might already know, or if you want to know, but if you gotta tow the car, that's how you set in neutral in this position. The car is in neutral. If no battery or anything, the car's in neutral. But let's say we don't have any battery right now, so even if I press the brake, this one's still locked. Here's the solenoid. Does the solenoid that opens when you press the brake, but we're just pretending we don't have any. It's not working for some reason, so the solenoid is. Let's see if we can. Okay, this position you can now you can put the car. Let me see quick. Okay, now you let go. It's not going anywhere. Okay, here's the screw. This is gonna be the final part, though. This is all. You guys can do the rest. So anyway, this is the screw that holds the knob for the shifter. This is what holds it in place. That one goes here. Does the lighting for the knob, for the indicator, like park, right, and parking, reverse, neutral, drive, whatever. So we're gonna put it like that. Then if you, like I said, if you need to put it neutral for any reason, you don't have to remove none of that. You just remove this cover. Goes right there. You have access to that. You can just open this cover right here, but I like to open all the way from here because it gives me more access. Doesn't want to go in there, and then I don't want to drop it either. Seems like it's going.